Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to fix the issue of Windows Update stuck at particular percentages. First, you have got to go to search bar, click there and search services. Click on services. In services, you have to click on any of the option here. Click on W and search for Windows Update here. After getting the Windows Update, you have to click on it, then do a right click where you need to go to the properties of it, and then you have to go to log on. No, it's general only, and you have to in startup type you have to click it on automatic and then click on apply and then OK. If that solves your issue, then there's no problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to do this. Go to the search option, type here troubleshoot setting, click on it, and you'll be directed to settings. Here you have to go to other troubleshooters, and then you have to go to this option of Windows Update. Click on run and it will troubleshoot your issue, and then restart your Windows. So that's how you can fix your issue of Windows Update stuck on particular percentages. If this video was useful to you, then make sure to like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.